In this video, we'll look at changing and inserting time signatures. Songmaster does a good job at detecting basic time signatures, but will often assign a song in, say, 6/8 as 3/4. Let's look at an example and see how we can fix this. We hear that Songmaster has successfully detected the beats. However, the time signature should be 6/8 and not 3/4. To change the time signature, double-click it and change it to 6/8. The next step is critical. We have to indicate how we want the new beats to be distributed. In this example, the beats are correct, so we want to keep the beats but create new bar lines every 6th beat. So click the Keep Existing Beats option, then click OK. Replay the section again to make sure it's how you want it. If it isn't, simply undo and try again. After changing the bars, you may want to tidy up the markers to the new bar lines. Let's jump to bar 16 and have a listen.
But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become alive and the light that you shine can't be seen?
Things sounded good for a bit, but something happened along the way to the chorus.
But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become alive and the light that you shine can't be seen?
After listening to this section a few times and doing a little detective work, it sounds to me that beat 4 of bar 17 is where the count resets to 1. So let's add a new time signature there. In the time signature track, double-click at bar 17, beat 4. We want to keep it as 6/8, but we want to use the existing beats, so click Keep Existing Beats, then OK. Let's listen.
But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become alive and the light that you shine can't be seen?
It all sounds good, except the bar before the one we just added has 6 quick beats when it should have just 3. To fix this, insert a new time signature at bar 17. This time, we want 3 beats per measure. Again, it's important to think about how we want to have the beats redistributed. We want to replace the 6 beats between bar 7 and 18 with 3 beats, so we want to use the Keep Existing Bars option this time. If we listen now,
but did you know that when it snows, my eyes become alive and the light...
The beats and bars sound correct. Following a similar approach to what we did in this example, you should be able to handle most time signature changes that occur in typical songs. Please refer to our online documentation for additional details that we don't have time to cover here.